Hey, do you want to come to southern France and play in the mud? Climb up hills in a cool truck? Yeah, I guess so. We are in Perpignan, France. I'm with my friend Zach from Jerry Rig Everything. We're about to be given the new Mercedes G-Class. It's something that nobody in the world has seen yet, but you guys get to see it now. Starting down here at the airport, and we're gonna go all the way around and end up in a castle in like an hour and 20 minutes. And then from there, we get to go and make some other loops in this car. We're gonna bring you guys along. Get ready for the ride, literally. This is gonna be an adventure. This is our car. This is it, dude. This is dope.
That looks so sweet.
Woo!
Look at the size of the screen.
Look at this carbon fiber. It looks like it's stitched or something. What are we doing here? We've got these dudes standing in front of us that are like, start your engines. This really does feel like The Amazing Race.
One thing about France and Europe in general is that the cities are so old. They weren't designed when cars were around, and so all the roads are super, super narrow. And you'll see this in Ireland, you'll see this in Scotland, Paris, everywhere. There's barely enough room for 2 cars.
All right, Zach, let's hear the power of this car.
That's so great.
You have reached your destination.
Made it to our first stop. Let me set the stage and tell you what's happening right now. We're at a castle, at a chateau in the mountains that is a giant vineyard and winery. And Mercedes is so cool that when they launch a new car, which right now it's the G-Class, they set up an off-road course and they're going to let us test them. So there's going to be 3 tests today. The first test is going to be the G63, which is more of your on-road luxury G-Class. So it's, yes, it could go off-road, but it's really meant for like dirt roads. So we're supposedly going to go very fast on some dirt roads. The second one we're going to do is the G500, and that is really for off-road testing. The third one we're going to do is they have the classic G-Classes here, so the old school ones, and test them out off-road and see how it goes. Let's start off with the Fast and Furious one first. We're going with the 63, the AMG. This is gonna be fun. All right, so we are now in the A63, and Zach is going to be our driver. We have an instructor, Alfred, that's going to help. How fast should he be going, do you think? What's a good mile an hour, a good kilometer?
That's okay, that's okay.
Right here?
Perfect, yeah.
Okay. That is so cool. I want to turn. I want to do it. I want to go on the ride. I feel like we're at like Disneyland or something. So we're gonna do a thing called launch mode. We're on dirt. We put it in S+, so Sport Plus. I put my left foot on the brake. I pull back on both of the paddles, and then I give it gas. Let it rev up a bit. Good. And then I just let off the brake. Oh, I'm in reverse. That's not how you do it. Let's redo that. I put my foot on the brake, pull back on the paddles, give it some gas, let go.
Save your teardrops, glue it back together, make it brand new.
We're on our last go with the G63. This track is really cool. When we first were driving, we were driving like a grandma. And now I can confirm that we are getting close to rally car driver mode, which usually means this should probably be the last time we go around because we're about to break something. Now it's our turn to go on the G500, which is more of the hardcore off-terrain vehicle. We're gonna really test this thing out. This is fun. We're gonna do this. This is crazy. All right, let's go have fun. Zach, you just got a wheel off the ground.
You bet I did.
Did you get a little nervous?
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, right. I'm literally driving up a mountain right now. Like right up here. You want me to go up here?
Yeah, right here.
Up that steep part, we were 60% incline. 60%, this is crazy. This is a car that's around 150,000 US dollars, around there. And you're taking it up these cliffs and it's no problem at all. In a lot of ways, it is made for this. I live in Utah, we have Moab, we have Slick Rock, and this would actually work really, really well for that. So Zach right now is out flying the drone in this wind, getting some shots. He's missing all of this. So give a thumbs up to Zach. Give a thumbs up in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to his channel, go watch his video with more of an in-depth review of these cars from his tech perspective. Good job, Zach. Right now I'm being held by my seatbelt because we are on a 58% angle decline, 58%. Have you ever been driving and it's like 9% trucks? Be careful with your brakes. This is really, really steep, honestly, like it's pulling on me. And he just said to try to go in reverse. It's totally working, are you kidding me? Okay, just went reverse on a 60% decline. This is blowing my mind. Let's just go down that one more time because we can.
We were just at 23 at an angle, like a tipping angle, and the maximum that the G-Class can do is 35. That's pretty incredible.
Then what happens, Zach?
And then you tip. you roll your $250,000 machine.
We're gonna test that one today?
I mean, I'm down. You down?
All right. Oh man, it's looking good out here now. Riding in the mud was a blast today. Seeing all these G-Class cars that are amazing was fun. Now we are going to leave these beautiful cars. Actually, I think we had to take one with us, but we're gonna drive to a castle that's an hour away from here. Maybe it's a hotel. We're staying in a hotel, it's not like a castle, right? Perfect. Okay, we're staying in a hotel, that's a castle. That's even better. Zach, did you have fun today?
I had a lot of fun.
Favorite moment?
Off-roading, probably the water. The water was pretty sweet. Just knowing that the water was deeper than the doors were just blew my mind, that the whole thing was watertight.
We are pulling up to our castle hotel right now. It looks like an actual traditional castle. I think that's where we're staying.
You have reached your destination.
We're inside the castle wall right now. Look at this place. I think we're going the wrong way, actually. Back to the castle. I just thought it was cool that these are the walls right here. Where's the cannonballs? This is like pre-cannonball era. They probably just threw black tar on people and lit them on fire. They still have the medieval stoplight right there. Medieval chapel, our fancy hotel. Oh, this is it. Here we are. 224. It's like a castle room. This is my bathroom, apparently. Yeah, that'll get me clean. And here's my little door here. Oh, no way. What is this? This is my room tonight. Welcome to my room. I'm quite happy with it. Can't beat the view. Wish that Leslie was here, but hey, it is what it is. I'm actually super tired and jet lagged. It's been a long day. I'm gonna go down to dinner, take you guys with, see if there's something cool down there. Thank you, Mercedes. It's been a fun trip. All right, we're back here. I'm afraid I may have left my room open. That's my room right there.
Dude, someone can climb up that vine right there below your window, sneak in at night.
They're gonna be like, Rapunzel.
Let down your hair.
That's it. Tomorrow's gonna be amazing. I'm going to bed. This was a fun day. Hope you enjoyed it. And we're gonna drive for 6 hours and get some cool stuff. So get ready for that.
You laugh at your own joke.
Hey, that guy just came out of the wall. Did you see that? What the heck? He just came out of the bookshelf. Oh. That's pretty awesome. Okay, France, you win. You're the coolest.